I'm going to be showing you how to live stream on Poppo app after you have successfully done your face verification and phone number binding. So I'll just go to this Poppo app here, up here. So once I click on it, launch the app. So this is the last place I visited when I came in, but for you this is what you're going to see. The live tab is what you're going to see once you launch your app. Okay, so here you come here, you click on live. So once you click on live, then you're good to go live streaming. Okay, then you're good to go live streaming. So you can see my face, right? So this is, so it will ask you to enter the chat, the text you want to write here. So I just click on let's be friends. Okay, this is actually default for my party tag, so let me just say let's be friends. So you know you're new on the app. Don't take too much text. Okay, so that's the maximum. So you can now choose any of this, either chatting, you want to sing, you want to dance, you want to make friends. So I'll just leave it as chatting. So when I'm done, I will click on my return button down here just to clear the text, the keyboard. So then I'll make sure it's on live. For you, you can choose here to beautify your face, this icon beside go live. So you can choose that, any of those options there, just to smoothen your face. Okay, that's it. So the click on this, I have read and agree. So mine is already clicked, but for you going live for the first time, I'll have to just click on it. Once I click on it, and I'll click on go live. Okay, I'll just click on go live. So once you click on go live, so I'm currently live right now. So now you're live at this point in time. This is what it shows, that okay, it first of all tell you that you have joined. So as people are joining, to keep telling you that other people are joining in. So as you are seeing people on your live stream, make sure you greet them, tell them they are welcome. So, and some of them can gift you while on your life like that. Okay, so they start throwing gift at you, they also earn as they are throwing gifts at you. Okay, so that's what they call gambling on the app, but majorly it is gifting on TikTok. So I do this a lot on TikTok to get more points. So on this dashboard now, so you see that I click on the three dash to see this reward part. So once you click on that three dash, it will bring me to my reward, and I click on reward, I will see the reward part even while I'm live streaming. I don't have to close my live stream before seeing this reward part, so that you can also track the number of minutes that you have gone live. You can see that it's still, because I'm still new on the live stream, it's still showing 0/60. So for you, if you come back again to check, you will see that it has increased. Okay, so you see the number of minutes you as you live stream while you're still on your live stream. So you don't have to close your live stream before you can see this reward part. Okay, so and once you're done up to 1 hour, is going to send you a message that you just reach 1 hour, that you should claim your reward. Okay, for each hour that you have gone live, it will ask you to claim the reward. So you can see other activities you can do, PK mission. Once you have 3 random PKs, but the PK don't always is not active for newbies for now. So as you keep doing your live streaming, your gamepad will be unlocked, your PK also will be unlocked. People can come on your live, you do what we call battle on TikTok. So here they call it PK. Okay, so that is how you earn. So once you win you have 3 random wins in that PK, you get to earn as well. You can see there are other events ongoing, Easter gift event. So you can also plug into this right now and also earn, but this one will count after you've done 3 hours of live stream on the app. Okay, all together before 5 p.m. and don't always forget to claim your reward before 5 p.m. Nigerian time. so you don't miss out. Like now you can see I have a reward to claim. So if I am on 3,000 per hour, I'll be able to claim this reward. Okay, so and there are some reward for sitting on the party tag. So if you are sitting on golden seats on other people's party, you also claim reward, but this one is for women. So if you sit on a golden seat, you get reward. So for each hour, I've claimed the first hour, this is the second hour that I'm here to claim. I'll go back and claim it if I get to 3,000 per hour. But if you are still on 1,000 per hour, you will not be able to claim this reward. I hope you get it. And another condition is you have to meet up the 15 USD dollar. That is, if you've gotten up to $15 in the last week, you'll get it. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.